Hello friends, now we are going to see how to create online test by using Testmoz. For that, type Testmoz in the Google. This is the official website testmoz.com where we can build automatically graded test, distribute online or print. We can also analyze and export the results. Just click this one. This screen will appear, this page will appear. In this build a test, try a demo test. Two different options are available. If you want, you can try a demo test or else build a new test. Now I am going to build a test for my students. Click build a test. Here it asks the name of the test. I am giving general knowledge. Choose a password. Again retype that password. Create test. This is the home page. See here, the name of the test comes here, general knowledge dashboard. Here we have this task, that is we can adjust the settings. Adjust the setting in the sense we can change the test name, description, and what happens after the test is graded. Like that we can give settings here. The next task is to add question. The third task is publish and distribute, and the final task is to view the results. See here, we can see here settings, questions, publish and result. We will see one by one. Now we move for the settings. Here are the basic settings are there. Name of the test is general knowledge, already we have given. And in introduction, if you want, you can give the introduction, that is some kind of a description to your students' instructions. Just I am giving in time. All the best. Just I am giving a small instruction, that's all. These are the color schemes. We can choose any color scheme. There are 4 different color schemes. I am choosing this one. The next option is choose the language for the Testmoz students. I am choosing English here. Next, move for the question settings. Show all the test questions on one page or show one question per page. I am going to give this option, all the test questions on one page. This question randomize the order of the question during the test. We can also randomize the order of the question. Third question becomes second question becomes fourth question, like that. I need this option, so I select. For review settings, these settings control what happened after the test is completed and submitted by the test maker. That is the conclusion test. This test is displayed after the test is submitted. You have completed the test. Thank you. This test will appear once the students submit. Here, show a custom message if the student passed or failed. Click here. What is the passing score? The percentage of passing score I am giving 50%. Pass message. If the student got pass, then the message will be like this. Congratulations. This is the message the student will receive if he got pass. If he got fail means this message will appear. Please read well. The next option is at the end of the test, display the user's score. If you want to display the scores of the student, you can click here, and these are the test outlines. This indicate if their response was correct or incorrect. They can check. I need this option because they want to know whether their answer is correct or incorrect. Display, if it is wrong, we have to display the correct answer. Sometimes we can display with explanation. Now I am not going to give any explanation, so I am removing this one. Next, move to access control. Access control in the sense, who can take your test? Anyone can take the test, or anyone who enter a password of my choosing, or anyone who enters a unique identifier, or anyone who enters an email address. 4 different options are there. I need this option. Anyone can take my test. Here, how much time do test takers have to complete the test? Two different options, unlimited and custom minutes are there. I am giving 10 minutes. Only few questions I am going to ask. Next, how many times can someone take a test? How many times in the sense unlimited, or how many times we have to mention? Just I am going to click only one time. Yes. What should test takers enter to identify themselves? Here they have to give their name, that's all. Enter your name. Sometimes we can also ask student ID if you have. Now I am asking enter your name. These are some kind of available options available, but it is only for premium paid versions. So I am not going to touch that one. Do you want to receive the mail? This also the premium option only. It is a paid. No, now I am going to save these settings. Just save. It is got saved. Now we are going to set the question. Your test has no option. Use the drop down below to insert a question. Now we are going to insert the questions. There are many types of questions. See here in the insert. Graded question, survey or ungraded question, or others. Now I am going to use this graded questions alone. See here, multiple choice question, multiple choice choose many question, true or false, matching, fill in the blanks, and essay. Now I am going to take these 5 one by one. We will see. First, multiple choice. Here we have to give the question. Now I am giving the question, which is called sunshine vitamin. The option is A, B, C, D. That's all. We have to tick the correct answer. D is the correct answer. This is the shuffle answer choices during the test. We can also shuffle the question, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, D, like that it will shuffle. If you want, you can click. Yes, it will shuffle the answer choices. Here we can give points. This question I am allotting only 1 point. If you want more answer choice, click here and add the choice. If you want to give any explanation, here you have to give. That's all. And this minus indicates to delete the question. See here, delete the question. If you want to undo, again it will come. That's all. This is the first. The next question, insert here, multiple choice, choose many question. Now we will give the question, which of the following are mammal? This is the question. I am going to give the choice, human, whale, parrot, dove. In this, for this question, the answer is human and the whale. So I am removing this option S. Okay. The special feature in this question is give partial credit. If the student answer only this human without answering this whale, then we will give the partial credit to the student. The next question is true or false. Click here, true or false. I am giving the question, Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of nation. This is the question, whether it is true or false. I am giving true here. Answer is true. The next question is matching. See here, now I am going to give the question, that is states and capital. This side I am going to give the state, that is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and then next one Gujarat, and the next one Punjab. In this right side, I am going to give the answer, but I am going to shuffle the answer here. For Tamil Nadu, I am giving the right answer in this place, Chennai. And then for Karnataka, I am giving Bengaluru. For Gujarat, I am giving here Gandhinagar. For Punjab, I am giving in this place, second place, Chandigarh. Yes. These are the states and these are the capitals. Our next job is to give the right answer here. For Tamil Nadu, the right answer is in the fourth place, so I am choosing 4. For Karnataka, the right answer is in the third place, so 3. For Gujarat, the right answer is in the first place, see here, so 1. And here for Punjab, Chandigarh, it is in second place. If you want to make the question very strong, you can also add more answer option. Here we can use the partial credit points. So I am going to give 4 points for this particular question. The next we will see the fill in the blanks question. Here I am giving the question, birthday of dash celebrated as Children's Day. Yes, this is the question. The correct answer is, I am giving here, the right answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Here we have to give the alternate answer. Sometimes the student will type as only Nehru or Nehruji. So I am going to give the possible answers for this alternative answer, Nehru. And again one more possible answer, Nehruji. Okay, it is finished. It is automatically changed, the question and answers both are automatically saved here. See here, if you don't want this question means you can undo here or directly you can delete here. If you delete means it will goes, again if you want means undo means it will come. Okay, these are the questions. Now we are going to publish these questions. See here, go to publish. It will ask ready to publish. Now I am going to click this publish. Just click here, it will get published. The test has been published. Your test is published and available at testmoz.com, this one. And here you have to copy this link, this URL or else this one, and you have to circulate to your students. For example, I am going to circulate. Just copy this one and I am going to give to my student. See here, compose. online test. Here I am giving that URL and I am sending. I have sent this to my student. Here for demo purpose I have sent for myself. So very soon I will receive that message and I will answer those questions. Now I am going to open the link which we have published there. This will come. Just I am clicking this and I am going to answer. We have asked the name of the student, so just I am logging in as. Just I am giving a name. Start. This is the place where we have to answer our questions. All the questions are in a single page. According to our settings, it has come. See here for the first question, I have given some instruction. No, here it has appeared. Finish the test in time. All the best. All those things are here. I have set a time that is 10 minutes. I have set. The first question for Gujarat, I am answering 3. Yes. For Tamil Nadu, 2. For Karnataka, 4. Punjab, Chandigarh, 1. Okay, first question is over. Next we will move to the second question. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. I am clicking this, true. And again I am going for the third question. There I have given A, B, C, D, but here it has appeared D, B, C, A because I have given that option toggle means it will shuffle the choice answer here, which is called sunshine vitamin. For example, I am the right answer is D, but now I am going to give A. We will see how it will appear. The next question is, which of the following are mammal? I am clicking this one, and a wrong answer I am going to give for check the partial credit. Okay. Here birthday of dash is celebrated as Children's Day. Here I am giving Nehru. Okay. This is the time to submit our online test. Just give submit. Once you submit, it will give the score. See here 82%. Why? Because means this question is wrong. It is incorrect. So it gives incorrect and the right answer it has been given. And the second question is partially correct. Why? Because I didn't choose this human. One choice I have wrongly answered. So it is partially correct. According to that, credits have been given. The third question is right. The fourth answer is also right. And fifth is also right. So therefore, we have got 82%. So he got paused. So congratulations. Keep it up. These instructions will be given to the students. Okay. Now it's the time to see the results. Click here. General knowledge test results. The average score. Here we can see the average time, the number of students responded so far, and here the score histogram. According to the score, the histogram graph will change. See here, the name of the students will appear here. Their scores 82%, and started time, finished time, and total time taken to finish the task. See here, total number of questions, the question and the answer. Here see here the second question and the answer, third question, answer, fourth question and the answer, the fifth question and the answer. It is to analyze the students' output. See here the first question is wrong, the second question is partially right, and all the 3, 4, 5th question are right. So we can able to analyze the students' performance. Like that you create for your students and make use of this Testmoz online exams. Thank you.